Good? Nice and tight?
Yes.
Co-pilot, ready?
Yes.
There you go. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to TNTT on a Saturday. Where are we headed, Ava?
We're going to the car show.
We're going to the 6th annual JVS Car Show and Festival in Jamestown. So you wanna tell us what the show's about?
It's for Jason Smigler, they're trying to earn money for his upcoming surgery for kidney.
Yeah. So it's a fundraising event. It's a big car show that happens every year. Lots of cars show up, and it's a good cause. We're hoping to help out here. See what we can do to be of assistance to these guys. We met them last year. They're good people, so we're trying to help out, and I hope a lot of cool cars show up. Ava's going to help me out with the camera work. So my co-pilot here is going to be busy today. We're dodging a bit of rain. Hoping it's going to hold off. It rained last night pretty hard as I was washing the car in the rain. The neighbors were giving me funny looks. They just don't understand, do they? So, you into cars?
Yes.
Yeah? What do you like about cars?
I don't know.
Yeah. There's gotta be something.
I like that they're fast.
Mm-hmm. That's the fun part, right? You like all the different shapes, colors they come in, different wheels they have on, different sounds they make, right? So Mom's not with us today. She's doing her yoga certification. So today's her last day on a Saturday. We wish her all the luck, but we know she won't need it, right? She's gonna kick some butt.
Uh-huh.
So, because Mom's not present and she does most of the talking and video work and all our TNTT videos, we're gonna need some help here without her, don't we?
Yeah.
But I got you, so I think we'll be fine, right?
Uh-huh.
Do you think there's gonna be lots of cars here?
Yeah.
What kind of cars are you looking forward to seeing?
Kind of my house.
That'd be cool. Did you bring yours?
I'm gonna look for Challengers, convertibles, and bugs.
Very cool.
Those are the only cars I know, though. I'm serious. And Porsches. I see balloons.
Yeah, this fire truck is long.
Okay.
That'd be cool if they had a fire truck here. That'd be cool to check it out.
And look inside it.
Climb all over it. That'd be fun, wouldn't it?
Oh, I would go crazy. Show cars only. General parking. Show cars. Bounce house. And playground.
There's a Z here. Cool.
There's a playground.
We can park next to that.
Wait, that blue car?
No, that one's Hello. Morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
You get to come in the car.
Yeah.
Okay,
Co-pilot.
there's two photographers up there who's going to take a picture of you guys.
Smile at the cameras. Thank you. Thank you. Let's park next to the Z. What do you say?
Look at that. Those cars.
I want to park next to this guy right here. See Ella?
A unicorn?
What?
A unicorn?
No way. What are you
It's
talking
right
about?
there.
That is a unicorn. I've never seen one that is a unicorn. Gonna go do some test runs on the track.
I'll warn you. This is the fastest car by far right there.
That one right there?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It's the fastest car by far so far.
I don't know, that's doing pretty good. You want to test Ella's?
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yours is a lot faster than the mystery machine.
Okay.
You want to race the champion?
Yeah.
Let's give it a shot.
Okay.
No reason for takes here.
There you go.
Oh, you didn't wreck.
That was good. You spun at the end, but that was fast.
All right, good stuff.
No, it isn't. That's way too small for me.
That's a proper-sized unicorn right there.
It's big. I think it's too dangerous for Ava.
That's all right. If you help me with the video, you can.
Yes.
You gonna ask some questions?
Yes.
What questions are you gonna ask? Are you gonna ask questions? Okay.
Sure. So we started 6 years ago, quite a bit smaller. It's grown quite a bit. But the goal of the car show is to really raise awareness for the need for living donors as well as deceased donors, and just bring awareness for there's so many people out on the transplant list, not just kidneys but organ transplant lists, and so many more added each day. And just trying to really positively impact other lives in the community as well. So Jason's always loved cars. Grew up restoring old Corvettes, and has just always loved anything to do with old cars, fun cars, souped up cars.
Anything with wheels.
Yes. So this is kind of his fun event to really incorporate something he loves with something we're passionate about. So it's to raise awareness, but also we're raising funds for his upcoming transplant as well.
That's a good way to combine two things.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, for sure.
No, I thought you had a question about his car.
What kind of car do you have?
I have a 69 Chevelle Super Sport and an 86 Chevy truck, which did not make it.
And many Jeeps that are in pieces.
Cool, huh? You don't have any questions? What's your question?
What do you use to make cars?
What do you use to make?
What do I use to make cars?
cars?
Well, I went to school for auto body paint and collision, so I repair and paint my own cars. And that's
So he uses
just a lot
a
of fun.
paint gun. That's a big
Gun.
sprayer, and
Will
he
that be a
paints
fun
the
gun to
gun.
use? Awesome. Well, we're gonna check out the show, do all the activities, and
Wait, I
Spread
have
the word.
another question.
oh, another question.
Is the unicorn real?
It may be.
It is
It might
the
be the only one.
only kind of unicorn
Lucky
that there
you.
is. And there's actually two. Did you see this one's a unicorn as well? Yeah, you can ride the big one. Absolutely.
That's way too small.
Does it have a real horn? Do you wanna go see it? Let's go. All right, thanks you guys.
Thank you. Yeah, you can.
Della, lead the way to the unicorns. The last two existing unicorns in the whole world. Lucky you guys. You wanna go on?
Big one.
Big one.
Shakes her.
Can you fall?
Of course. Ready? Here we go.
They're pretty fast.
Are you having fun? The big horse doesn't bounce as much as the little one does.
Big one.
You're gonna tell all your friends at school that you rode a unicorn? Lucky you. What'd you think of your first unicorn ride?
It was kind of fun.
For this? Alright. Alright.
Big one's easier to ride than the little one is.
Yes, they went to a carnival.
Good?
You ready?
What do you think, Ava?
It's fun.
It's fun.
Sissy has a wall, so she's not.
It's kind of like you going,
Why do they make that noise? Does that mean they're going to be
Be crazy? No. I don't think so. How's your unicorn experience? Good?
forward so I can see the horse's butt?
He's super cool or what?
One, two, three.
Come on! Go ahead. Just move your finger out of the way. That's all you gotta do.
Good job. You win. Ready, set, go. Oh, that's a good one. All right.
I have two gold ribbons.
Let's see, girls. You guys won, huh? Very cool. You're okay. You're okay.
But I don't know if the seat goes backwards.
This
It smells like an old car.
Oh, I'm sure they'll announce it.
I won first place.
That's wonderful.
I didn't want to win, so I'm just leaving.
Oh, okay. What do you guys think of this one?
Okay, and I did want to win.
Tell us about all these cars, Ava?
This one's from North Carolina.
Yeah.
That one from North Carolina.
Okay. From High Point. Very cool. This one's cool, isn't it? It's 1936. Look at the turn signal. It has an arrow here. You see that? That's cool, isn't it? Let's keep looking. What kind of car is this, Ava?
Corvette.
Corvette. Beautiful, isn't it? Looks like all original. That's what I like about it.
Can we make yours to look like this?
Well, how about this car? This car?
We can nap in this car, we can sit in it, we can play in it, we can It's very soft and has a big room.
That's right.
It's a lot of room.
Would you want to drive this to school every day?
I would like to sit in the back and would drive it.
This is cool. I wonder what this is. Hey, what happened to the engine? Hello. What do you think it is? What do you think the engine is? This one's missing too. Let's go look for it. Search for the engine. There it is. We thought we lost the engine.
This one down here. But then
These are cool, aren't they?
Look at the thing.
Shifter?
The shifter.
Neato. These look good. So in good shape. What's the next stop?
Fire truck.
All right. Hey there. How you doing? Good. Neato. You want to see inside? Check it out, Ava? That'd be awesome, huh? Sit and see.
I want to try.
What's that? Oh, Ella's finding us.
How are you? I'm shy. Oh, that's all right. We are.
What do you think, Ella? You like it? It's awesome, isn't it?
Very, very messy.
Very what?
Messy.
Messy. I don't think it's messy. It's got lots of equipment in it.
It has lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff. Well, lots of stuff is needed on these jobs.
I like your boots.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You want a coloring book? Can we do the pizza now?
Hey, but look at this guy.
We have trophies for you.
While we're waiting on Mickey and before we do the first 50-50 raffle, we wanted to just give a special thank you to the band. So we just wanted to say thank you for being with us.
Down on the other side. There you go.
First time up there. There you are. I see you. You did it. You think you can go good? You'll be fine. It's very soft over here, and I'll catch you, okay? But you'll just slide down. This is soft.
Yeah.
Wait, get out of the way. We'll catch you. Good job. You're doing it. See? It's all right. You did it. That's what counts. You tried it. Was it too fast? Hey, I'm very impressed that you tried it. Very impressed by you.
Jump down, like jump down.
Alrighty, I'm gonna do a lap and head out. Take care, man.
All right.
Where's the microphone? Hello? Hello? I'm a little puppet. I'm a hedgehog.
So, what'd you think?
Well, it was pretty good, but well, I tried going down it and down the bouncy house slide. I was scared.
I saw that, but I'm glad you did it. I was very impressed with the fact that you actually got up all the way up there, really high up there, and you went down the slide. I was impressed by you.
It was very fast. It's kind of fast, but it was very high, so I did not like the cut.
Would you do it again?
I would go on a low one.
On a low one? Okay. And eventually build up to the big one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
Well, you can start out trying with the low ones, right? And then do big ones.
So that was pretty fun. My friend was there. Lots of people from my school were there. And lots of people from my dance class. And it was really fun. I liked it very much. And it was very fun.
What was your favorite part?
Eating. Because I was starving there.
What did you eat?
A hot dog.
Solid. Would you do this again?
Yes, I would.
Did you like any cars?
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
Which cars did you like the most over there?
Lots.
Lots?
And I really liked it. I think it was very fun, and I got to ride a real unicorn.
Right. Forgot about that part.
And it was very fun. And there was a big party, and there's a park, and we got to play a race car race. It was very fun.
I'm really glad that you enjoyed it. And it was all for a good cause, right? We were helping Jason to gather money for his surgery that's coming up. It's going to be really expensive, so I hope this helps him out, right?
Well, why is he in surgery?
He needs a kidney.
What does that mean?
That is something Grandpa could probably explain best because he knows all the medical things about kidneys.
Because he was a doctor. And my grandpa had white hair. But now he has none hair.
He has none here.
Just like little lines. And it's been really fun. I really liked it, and we're impressed since I didn't know there was a big unicorn and a little unicorn.
I'm really happy that you're such a talker because I usually stay quiet and you fill in those blanks perfectly.
Thank you. Well, that's all we really did. We got cookies, we got a cupcake, we did lots of stuff. We played soccer.
Good job. Go. Pass it to me. Good job. Ready? Almost there. Boom! Boom! Good job.
Baseball.
Sorcery. Good job, Ava.
Good try. Good traffic.
Ella, you want to hit the ball?
Daddy, I just want to know this. I don't want any, but I just want to know, is there any food here? Yes.
Yes. That was awesome, Ella. What? Getting better.
I tried the better I can.
Yeah, see? Exactly.
Did soccer and baseball, and I mostly won soccer ball. I mostly won soccer.
You did win soccer. You scored a couple goals there. You were really good at that.
So this was pretty like a fun day. Well, I think this is the end of our video thingy. It was really fun. It was really fun. That's the end of our day, and that's the end of our video. See you soon. We'll make another video tomorrow.
I love it. I love that was perfect.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thumbs up if you like it.
Awesome
That
job.
was fun. That was really fun.
I'm glad you liked it.